Meet the Pore Clean Thin 601 Pro, India's exclusive water flosser with an antibacterial filter. Now open the box and inside you'll find Pore Clean Thin 601 Pro box and its accessories. Inside you'll find the Pore Clean Thin 601 Pro water flosser, which comes with an 85 ml small water tank and an antibacterial filter for a more hygienic flossing experience. You also get a large water tank with a 180 ml capacity for longer flossing sessions, making it perfect for home use. To change the water tank, simply detach the small tank by pulling it downward. Then, connect the water flosser to the larger water tank by attaching it securely in place this way. A travel bag is provided for convenient storage and protection. You also get a travel case, making it easy to carry the device wherever you go. Inside the travel case, you'll find one orthodontic tip and one pickpocket tip. And inside this thin 601 Pro box, you'll find two classic jet tips. You also get a Type-C charging cable. To charge the device, open the charging port and plug in the cable. Open the water inlet, where you also get a built-in tip storage space. A user manual is included to guide you through setup, usage, and maintenance. Before you begin, scan the QR code on the warranty card and register your 1-year unconditional warranty. Now let's get started. First, open the spill-resistant channel and insert your preferred tip securely into place. Then open the water inlet, fill the tank with clean water, and close it properly. Lean over the sink and place the tip inside your mouth before starting the device. Press the power button to turn on the device. Press the mode button to switch between cleaning modes. There are 4 modes to choose from. Gentle mode with 60 psi of water pressure provides a soft and soothing cleaning experience, ideal for sensitive gums and first-time users. Standard mode with 90 psi of water pressure delivers balanced everyday cleaning by effectively removing food particles and plaque. Strong mode with 160 psi of water pressure provides a powerful deep cleaning experience to clean hard-to-reach areas and gum pockets. Pulse mode with 100 psi of water pressure releases rhythmic pulses to massage gums and improve circulation. Guide the water stream along your gum line and move slowly between each tooth for effective cleaning. Now choose the right tip based on your needs. The classic jet tip is ideal for everyday cleaning, removing plaque and maintaining gum health. The orthodontic tip is designed for braces, wires and retainers to clean hard-to-reach areas effectively. The pickpocket tip delivers a low-pressure stream, making it suitable for gum line cleaning and sensitive areas. This helps clean the pockets. Once you're done, press the power button to turn off the device. Then push the spill-resist channel from the top and remove the tip, and close the spill-resistant channel back securely. To drain the remaining water, simply open the water inlet and pour the water out completely, and you're done. Made for travel, comfort, and powerful everyday oral care. Pore Clean Thin 601 Pro.